Welcome back to this short series on flowers. I've made a leaf, and there's lots of ways you can make a leaf, fat leaf, thin leaf or whatever. But I've done the simple leaf to give you the basic idea. This leaf is formed by working both sides of the chain. So for the first side of the chain I have a little sample here, which is where the point is. But I shall do that after I've pulled that through. There we go, so I've got a third leaf. Now so I just need to do that end. I won't do it now, but you could arrange them. You see, if you've got some leaves, there's nothing like a couple of leaves to arrange them. So there you have a leaf.